Hi, my name's Tom, and I want to talk about the ChefWorks apron. This is a pretty standard apron. We got it from Amazon, and I got it because I like to bake and I like to cook, and I needed something that would fit. This is the standard size, not the extra large. Now, I am 6 foot something and well over 200 pounds, and you can see I'm not a small guy. The standard apron fits just fine. I want to go through some of the features, and I'll show you how it fits. So first of all, I love this when this particular model has the neck strap, which is adjustable. Right now, it's actually fairly large, but that's fine. I have a standard size head. There we go. I can open it up a little more if I want. So it goes over like that, and then all I need to do, these are the straps. Look at this. This strap is probably a good 3 feet long. Okay, this one's 3 feet long. You are probably not 6 feet around. It's fine. It's real easy to go ahead and reach around and tie, and it fits well. Again, I'm fairly tall and fairly big, and it fits just well. It goes down kind of right where my pockets end there. I like this apron a lot. It is cloth. It is a little bit absorbent in the fact that if you have something on your hand, you can kind of wipe it on there and it'll kind of pull it off a little bit. We have run it through the wash once and it worked well. You can still, I still see the creases in it. It was just a quick wash. It's still there. It's still a nice, it's a little bit of a stiff fabric, but it does have some bulk to it. It is soft. It's not like a hard fabric. I love I have 3 pockets down here. What I do when I'm wearing it, I just kind of throw kind of utensils in there. I'll have a couple spoons in there and I'll kind of pull them out and try stuff, just throw them into the sink, just like on the cooking shows. I do like the fact that it actually is branded. ChefWorks right there, and then even down the bottom, there is a little, where is it? Here we go, a little fork for ChefWorks. And again, they come in different sizes, and they come in different styles and colors, but this is just a standard one. This is the over the neck. I'm trying not to hit the microphone as I do this, but I just want you to see it is plenty big. It is very easy to put on. All you do is put it over your head and you just tie it behind you and you're ready to go. It's not a 2-man operation. You don't need 12 people to help you in and out of it. It's just that easy. It feels really good. It's very protective. It covers a good portion of where I'm going to be getting dirty, especially if I'm leaning against the counter or doing things. This particular one does not cover the sleeves, obviously, but I don't typically need that. I'm usually wearing just a regular old shirt. You know, obviously, if you're going to be wearing something super fancy, you may want to get a kind of a coat or a jacket, a chef's coat or jacket as well, but I'm just wearing this apron for around the house, and this is just a really, really nice apron. We've tried a couple different ones. ChefWorks, definitely the way to go. They are the premium aprons.